A journey to Mars overall is a long journey. And once we get to Mars, there are different options in terms of how long you stay at Mars. One of the options is actually to spend quite a long time on Mars, up to possibly 18 months. And the question is, what do you do with such a long stay out there if you're not going to go to Mars itself? I mean, do you have enough to explore with just Phobos and Deimos? And my answer is absolutely. I am convinced that we will have plenty to explore with even just Phobos. Forget even about Deimos, but having the two there, certainly we will have plenty to do. Phobos itself is a large world. It's a rock in space that has terrains of different colors, we know, possibly a different composition. It has impact craters. It has all kinds of cracks, which might be places where ice is venting out from the inside. That's one possibility. We would want to install a seismic network to essentially generate mini earthquakes so that we can study the interior, nothing to shatter the object, of course, but to study the interior structure of this body, and do the same on Deimos. We're going to want to sample rocks. We're going to want to sift through the dirt to see if there's really an actual chance of finding bits and pieces of Mars itself embedded in the soil. There's plenty to do. And meanwhile, there's this glorious view that we will have of Mars itself. We'll be able to operate robotic explorers without the time delay at the surface of Mars. I'm convinced that humans going to Mars and spending many months in Mars orbit will have plenty to do with just Phobos exploration, Deimos exploration, and exploring Mars itself from orbit.